Welcome people! You don't know, for you hear the voice and see the face, a great TV, you see me? So right now, today's video will be all about the weirdest set of things what Jamaicans do. So watch out, without further ado, I could go in the video now. Sir! 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 Sir, you need me a sir! Big man, where you want? Where you want? You just an antagonist. Where you want? Where you want? What? Oh, you spell occupation. So bad man. If you can't spell the word, go look in your dictionary, no brother. You just come to school if you sit down and keep up damn speed. Yo, go look in your dictionary. Look in your dictionary. Sir, how me I go look for occupation if me can't even spell the word, sir? How me I go look in the dictionary? How me I go know what me I look for, sir? Me can't spell occupation, sir. Gee. Yo, Greer! Yo, Greer! Greer! Yo, where come from? Where you there, so Greer?
Really, nigga?
Push up in there, so push up, Greer. No, brother. I ants them were there, so I walk up and down me there, I take them. I ants them, you see me? The ants them will move up and down here, so me I look upon. No, sir. Yeah, dear me, that you see me I push up and you go ask me for push up, me I push up. Juice man. Juicy! Yo, Juicy! Yo, where you want? Yeah man, just a yellow, you see me? Put yourself, Juicy. Yo, show it! You up on me, G? Yo, brother! Where you want? Brother, just hear me a yellow, brother. You go up do. Big up yourself. And if boy Greer can help me out. Greer! Yo, Greer! Yo, brother, where you beat down me door so far? What? Yo, Greer, watch another dog. Me there, you know, brother, and me tell you a story, bro. Me there, you know, me buy a matches. And me a strike out hello time matches. And so me a strike out hello time matches, Greer. And the matches, none of them no light, and one stick of matches I do light. Guess what? It no cook my pot, brother. Oh God, bombard. It don't cook my pot, so here what? My forward for it like it. My forward for the ball 2 stick of matches there. Just 2 stick of matches, brother. I don't believe you still, dog. I don't believe you. But here what? Me give you more than 2 stick of matches, you see me? Me give you a box of matches, bro. Me give you a box of matches. Yeah, and by your way, brother, you can by your way, you can just be like one spoon of butter for me. One teaspoon of sugar. God bless you, dog. Bad man, you don't have sugar in your yard. You don't have salt, butter and them, so the man talk bother me, yeah, man. Don't bother me. Oh, bro, God. Yeah, man. There's a bomb called play, brother. Yeah, dog.
Yeah, that won't play ball.
Yeah, fresh up, Fred. Yeah. Bro.
You fool.
You tell me name, you do the bad.